The Holy Land of Japan, Kumano. Enveloped by the Kii Mountains, Kumano is believed to be the resurrected land from the ancient times. The road trekked by pilgrims is known as the Kumano-Kodo, Kumano Old Road, and it is still trekked today. In search of bygone passion of the people from those times, let us begin our journey on the old road of Kumano. From the center of Osaka, it is a 3-hour drive to Kumano Hongu Taisha, Kumano main shrine. Here at Kumano Hongu Taisha, the main shrine of 3 Kumano shrines, is a place that represents all gods, and it is the first goal of all pilgrims. In the 19th century, during the Meiji era, the main building was washed away in a great flood. Today, the building and the gods living there are relocated to this area. Kumano Hongu Taisha was previously located in a place called Oyunohara, where the 3 rivers meet. Aiming for Oyunohara, let us depart on the same road that people of those times used and start the trek of Kumano-Kodo, the old road of Kumano. There are several routes in Kumano-Kodo. The one that carries the most history and the official route of pilgrimage is the Nakahechi-route. The Nakahechi-route starts from the west coast town called Tanabe in Wakayama Prefecture. And our journey today starts from here, Takijiri-Oji, Takijiri Shrine. The Oji, smaller Kumano shrines, were built in order to pray for the safety of all the pilgrims. Many of these shrines were built on the Kiji and Nakahechi route, hence the name Kuzuku Oji, or the 99 shrines. Kuzuku in Japanese is written in symbols for 99, which signifies abundance. This Takijiri Oji functions as a boundary for Kumano sacred land. And this is where the mountain route starts. We are immediately greeted by a severe mountain slope and are soon surrounded by trees. Today, this route is well kept, but in those days, it was a plain nature path. The route is long, precipitous, and difficult, often said to be the path of arduous ascetic pilgrimage. This is where the so-called Tainai Kuguri stone, the narrow grotto, is located. The grotto was believed to provide easy childbirth to all women who passed through it. And right behind it is the Chichiwa stone, or the milk stone, which carries its own legend. The leader of Oshu of the 12th century, nowadays Tohoku region, Fujiwara no Hidehira, walked this path with his wife when she went into labor and gave birth. Following the words of Kumano Gongen deity that he saw in his dream, Fujiwara no Hidehira left the baby under the stone. Upon his return, he found the baby drinking milk that was trickling down the boulder while being guarded by a wolf. That is at least how the legend goes. Located in the middle of the old road is the Takahara-kiri no Sato, a place where you can enjoy truly beautiful sunsets. Ah, the morning mountain air feels refreshing. Well then, let us move on. Along the Kumano-Old Road, signs are placed to help guide the pilgrims. This is Kumasegawa Oji. It serves as a landmark that marks a once an abundance of shrines like these, where now only a few remain. Our next landmark is the Ichirizuka. It serves as a milestone of many pines and Japanese hackberries that were grown in this area. When it rains, mist rises from the mountain, and it looks as if the mountain itself is alive. This is Tsugizakura Oji, and here you can see cedars that are more than 800 years old. The branches of this cedar are all pointing in the same direction, hence the name Nonaka Ippou Sugi, or Nonaka's One Direction cedar. It is said that these cedars are all facing the one of three Kumano grand shrines, Nachi. This is Hoshinmon-Oji. When you reach this point, you have about 2 hours left to your goal. From here, Fushiyogami-Oji, you can see Oyunohara, or Big Worshipper's Meadow, in the distance. The pilgrims worshipped this scenery for which they were thankful for and humbled by. We have finally arrived to Oyunohara.